We truly believe that we're in the midst of a massive societal shift and a transformation in the way the world does computing. The world now is accustomed to having applications at their fingertips, all of which are networked in this global fabric. And it's creating, at the heart of it, really this information economy, where you have these businesses that their core focus is as a means to harness information and data and translate that to us as users. These can be in the form of entities who deliver search, or companies that focus on communication like messaging, and they're all based on that same core information gathering and value generation process. One of the greatest opportunities in the storage business going forward is going to be around these massive scale, new world modern data centers.
The data center is a very interesting business today. We've changed the term of our business from enterprise to data center, and the reason why we made that change was enterprise is something old. And it's something that's been around forever. The reality is the new modern data center is different, it's unique, and it's fragmented. And I love the fragmentation because as a marketing guy, it now means that we don't have to serve one master. We can develop several interesting and unique niche products that then drive us with a unique value proposition to those specific data centers. RE, SE, and AE are essentially just like our colors. They are choices for our customers to really tune the drive to their application.
So having the real high application intensity RE drive, we think that's a great solution, but we know it doesn't solve everyone's needs. At the same time, we're going to give these customers the options that say, as you move down the application intensities, you can think about an SE type of drive, which is a lower duty cycle or lower application intensity type nearline drive. And then anchoring the bottom of our capacity storage continuum will be an archive HDD as well, that we classify as AE to solve for that cold data type data repository or archival storage solutions that our customers need.
And the modern data center really embraces that concept. When we look at the modern data center, the power of choice is expanding into the data center realm.
The clear messages that we've taken away from these modern data center entities is that capacity storage is the vital element of their compute infrastructure. So many of these companies are 10 years old or less, and so they're defining their processes as they scale these massive businesses. As an information business, scale becomes vital because the virtuous cycle that happens is the more information you have, the more valuable you are as an information entity. So they need information at scale, they need to be able to deliver their services at scale, and they need to be able to deliver services on demand at the touch of a keystroke or the touch of a screen.
The best thing about WD approaching the data center business is it's such a big business. And when we talk to the modern data center customers, the one thing they consistently tell us about WD is WD doesn't walk in and tell us the answer. WD is walking in with a very fresh approach, and we're asking our customers, what problem are you trying to solve and how do we help you solve it?
If you take those concepts and look at how that applies to us, it does require that we look at things differently, that we approach it in an unencumbered manner, because it's not the conventional enterprise. And therein lies a great opportunity for WD, because we can come in truly without trying to force and impose a lot of dated and kind of historical approaches to what was the traditional enterprise and look at things with a fresh perspective. So it's a whole new world in that regard. And so they look to their vendors to bring unique perspectives, unique opportunities, and even unique engagement models. It requires true storage partners to figure out ways to craft the optimal products for them. What the customers are asking for is right-size innovation and cost-effective capacity in their storage devices. Very few things ever scale to billions of active users at any given time. And so it's going to put a mandate and obligation upon the supply chain and the vendors and the storage entities such as WD to make sure that we can maintain that pace and stay in lockstep with them. So when we look at the future and how do we embrace the future, we believe the data center opportunity is truly a representation of an amazing opportunity with a rapid growth profile. And so I think what really is the greatest within all of this is not just the fact that we are, philosophically aligned and believing and thinking like our customers, but when you talk about bringing scale to a business and that being the core of what our customers need, that's just not a belief system, that is our DNA.